Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel Quick Guide. Today I'm here with another video to show you guys how you can log in into a SuccessFactor employee account. First of all, just open up any search engine that you are using, and after that go onto the search bar and just type in SuccessFactor login and hit enter. After doing so, many results will pop up on your screen. Just tap on the first link that shows up on your screen. Now it will take you to a new interface where you need to enter your correct company ID in order to sign in. Now enter your correct company ID and submit here by this blue arrow button. After doing so, then you need to put your correct password in order to successfully sign in into the SuccessFactor account. After you put correct company ID and correct password, you will sign in into your SuccessFactor account. So guys, this much for this video. If you like our video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to comment down for reviews and more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.